Hello, my technical friends. This is Lab 8.9.6, and we are in TestOut Linux Pro, and we are going to change group ownership for a file. So the CEO of the company wants to make sure that the employee's personal information are stored in the /HR/personal file is protected. The CEO has asked that you make sure that the human resources department is the owner of that file. To complete this lab from the terminal, in this lab your task is to find the current owner of the /HR/personal file, answer the question, change the group ownership of the /HR/personal file to the HR group, verify the ownership change. That is all we need to do in this lab. So I guess we'll go ahead and start up lab. So we'll wait for the lab to load. So if by the end of this video you find these videos about helpful, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed video access on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. And also consider liking and subscribing to the channel. So we'll wait for the lab to load. Alright, so the lab has loaded successfully. We'll go ahead and open terminal and type in, let's see, in the terminal we're going to type in ls-l space /HR, press enter, and we'll go ahead and answer questions. Which group is the current owner of this? That's going to be management. Yep, management. So we'll minimize this and continue in our terminal. Let's see what else do we have. Okay, so we type in John space let's see, colon HR space /HR/personal file. Okay, personal no file, then press enter and type in ls space -l space /HR and you press enter. And we'll go ahead and answer some more questions. Okay, we'll go ahead and score lab. We've answered all the questions here. Alright, so if you find this video to be helpful, also consider joining my professional membership. We have detailed video access on how to solve any of the lab at all. Share this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit. Also like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.